it's not doing anything at all. It's been like that for the last, I guess, few days now.
Yeah.
So what I decided to do essentially was, put out a couple of things which is getting a fair bit of attention in terms of if you're trading the market, especially more than anything else, right? I just want to put out those graphics. The first, of course, as you mentioned, is earnings, which is going to be very important. Ujjivan. The sector is a pretty small sector. I mean, if you add up the market capitalization of all the microfinance companies, I mean, it maybe all adds up to maybe a small bank, right? But the fact is that it's got huge, immense interest, investor interest, especially foreign institutional interest. And this is the first number in that space, I think, and it'll have an immense bearing on other companies like Bharat Finance, which is the largest player, or Equitas, or a few others as well. So, I mean, we've had some commentary going into the earnings. I think we spoke with Bharat Finance management, but that was about 15 days back. But we don't really know, I mean, what is the impact that demonetization has had. And if there is one sector which kind of caters to the lowest strata of the society, it is microfinance companies. And that is where the pain has been felt the most. So, I mean, I think keep a very close eye, not just for Ujjivan as a company, but for the sector as well in terms of what the company reports. Mood is bearish on the technology sector, H-1B visas, border tax. I mean, by the way, H-1B visa, we've discussed border taxation not so much.
Yeah.
So far, border taxation has also only been talked about with reference to goods. But now, increasingly
Services.
people are kind of sort of talking about services also being impacted. So that is number two. There is some talk, I mean, but it's kind of still, here and there, but not really a consensus kind of argument. But some talk about buying Tata companies, Tata Group companies, good quality Tata Group companies with Chandra in charge. I mean, not even good, not just good quality companies, but some of the not so good companies which might get better. I mean, at least that's the hope under Chandra. But I think it's a good discussion to have as well, and we hope to put out some more information on this maybe tomorrow. Cipla is something that again comes up as people talking about in a positive way. The stock's at a 100-day moving average, and in terms of the dollar. You had Mr. Trump saying dollar is too strong.
Yeah.
Yellen overnight essentially kind of talked up the dollar a little bit with her talk about rate increases, etc. So, I mean, that's caused the dollar to reverse course and go up overnight.
Yes, absolutely. A lot of stocks